Today I decided to film this look for you guys, even though I haven't filmed in like almost a month, but I've honestly just been super stressed out and just busy, and I've been so unmotivated. I haven't had time to film, so I finally am sitting down today to film this look for you guys. All the products that I use are free. Well, the majority of them are free because I do work at Sephora and I got a lot of gratis, so I'm trying everything out. It's gonna be like a first impressions because a lot of the things are just like new products that have just come out. Also, it's going to be like a little get ready with me because I am going to work in a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I came up with this look, then keep on watching. So I already prepped my skin. I did all my skincare, my moisturizer, my eye cream. So I'm going to be going in with my primer. Using this Gratis Greek yogurt smoothie primer. It's also a moisturizer. It's supposed to be very hydrating, so I'm putting this all on my face, like everywhere on my face, making sure everything is good because it's gonna help prep my skin. I already like this. I mean, it does have kind of a weird smell, but it just smells like a cream, but I can already feel it. It feels really nice on my skin. So now I'm going to be going in with my foundation. I am actually using this one by Lancome. It's called The Skin Feels Good. It's a tinted moisturizer, and it also has some sunscreen protection. So I put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to be using my Sephora number 88 brush. I actually got this as well for my Gratis. This is very sheer coverage. This is like on days you want to go very light on your makeup. So you can just see the difference. It just looks so much more glowy. Here's a little bit more dead. Glowy. Dead. You know what I mean? So far, I like how this brush applies the makeup. I feel like it doesn't sheer it out like how the beauty blender sometimes does. Like, even though it's very light coverage, it's still very much covering a lot, and I'm not going to need as many layers. For concealer, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the shade Light Medium Beige. This is a really nice concealer because it's really affordable, it's cruelty free, it has good coverage. And I don't know, I feel like the Tarte Shape Tape is just so drying on me, and I feel like the shade I get is always way too freaking light. Maybe that's just me not being able to freaking color match myself. I'm just one of those people, like, I don't like asking people for help. I'd rather just figure it out myself, which is why I'll buy things and then I'm like, oh shit, I probably should have asked somebody and gotten help. Wow, I look so cute. I really don't. Okay. This is a BH Cosmetics number 28 brush. This is actually in like a brush kit that I got, that my sister actually gave me. So I'm gonna blend that out. Let me turn down the brightness. I feel like it's always so freaking bright. So after I blend this out, I'm going to be using this translucent powder. This is the Airspun powder in Naturally Neutral. This is just gonna help me set my under eye, set my T-zone, make sure everything's mattified, make sure everything looks a little bit more blurred. So I really do like this one. Lately what I've been doing is like, I like to just like press it into my skin. And like I said, I'm just doing it all on my T-zone, on my chin, and then on my forehead. Camera actually died while I was doing my eyebrows. I didn't even realize it because it freaking overheats and it'll just like turn off by itself. It doesn't even matter though because I literally suck at eyebrows, so we're just gonna keep on going. So I actually got this Fenty highlight for my job. This is a new Killawatt foil highlighter in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. I wanted to use this as an eyeshadow and seeing how that looks because I don't know how this will look on me as freaking highlight. And with the orange one, which is Mimosa Sunrise, and I'm going to use that on my crease. So I hope I don't fuck this up. This is so pretty. I'm going to do the other side now. So I'm going the Sangria Sunset, which is like that pink color, and I'm going to apply that on my lid. I'm going to spray my brush so it kind of gets a little bit more intense. It looks so pretty. And I'm going to be doing my bottom waterline, eyelash line. I don't know what this is called. I totally forgot what the hell that's called. Totally forgot to mention, I just like went straight into it. This is the Stila liquid highlighter in Monarch. So I'm also using it as an eyeshadow. So I hope that doesn't look stupid. I'm gonna blend it out. And then I'm going to apply some on my cheek right here. Blend that out with my fingers. Now I'm just going to put eyeliner on my top lash because I'm going to be using lashes today. I'm not going to do a wing, just a small line. I'm going to do the other side now. So these are the lashes I'm using today. This is by the brand called Shop Eden Rose on Instagram. They were nice enough to send me these. This is in the style BOSSY, so I haven't used them yet, so I'm really excited to try them out. Okay, so now that I have both of my lashes on, I really like these lashes. They're very natural, they're super comfy. A lot of lashes I wear are like super dramatic and they're heavy and they're annoying, but I like how these look. For blush, I am using the Urban Decay blush in Quickie. This is the Afterglow 8-Hour Powder Blush. The brand rep from Urban Decay actually gave me this one. I don't remember if I like won a contest or something, but she gave me this blush and I really like it. I feel like it goes well with the eyeshadow look. So now for mascara, I'm using this Smashbox Super Fan mascara. I'm going to be using this on my top lash. And then now also on my bottom lash. So now I'm going to be going in with the new NARS, oh, it's upside down. The new NARS highlighter. It's like a blush highlight. This is in the shade Orgasm. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the temples of my cheeks just to give me a little bit more of a glow. So now I'm setting with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. So now I'm going to be moving on to lipstick. I'm using this lip liner by NYX or NYX, no sé cómo se dice. It's actually called Peekaboo Neutral, which I feel is the exact same color as my actual lip color. Just gonna help me outline my lips. And to finish everything off, I'm putting this Tarte H2O gloss. This is called Fiji. The packaging is really cute. I haven't tried this, out yet. And I just dropped it. Oh, okay. Off and fix my hair a little bit. So yeah, this is the final look. I really like how it came together. I love the eyeshadows, I love the liquid glitter, I love the lip gloss. Like, I love every single thing that I've used. Like, no lie, I freaking dig it. I love it. And I hope you guys like it as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video.